Like most people, you want more financial security. But maybe you haven't started investing yet because you think it's too complicated or risky. This video will review the best tips for beginners who want to limit risk and build wealth for a secure future. Hi, I'm Laura Adams, an award-winning personal finance author and Money Girl podcast host with 43 million downloads. For over a decade, I've helped millions of readers and listeners understand how to manage money and build wealth. Our goal is to offer tips and advice you can put into action for more financial security and success. So tip number 1 is to differentiate saving and investing. Saving is putting money into safe accounts like FDIC-insured bank savings or money markets or even certificates of deposit, CDs. It's for your short-term needs like emergencies, buying a car, or taking a vacation over the next few years. But investing is for long-term goals, like paying for a young child's college or retiring. It does require some risk, but without it, you aren't likely to earn enough growth to beat inflation and achieve significant financial goals, like a comfortable retirement. Tip number 2 is to build an emergency fund. A good rule of thumb is to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses, like housing, food, utilities, and debt payments. And you can earn more using a high-yield savings account, which Finder.com does a great job of comparing for you. Tip 3 is to start sooner rather than later. Once you have a cash cushion, the sooner you start investing, the more wealth you can build. Even if you can only invest a small amount, it's better than nothing. Waiting for the perfect time to invest causes you to miss significant earnings. Tip number 4 is to research before buying. Get familiar with various types and categories of investments before buying them. You might consider investing in low-cost funds like exchange-traded funds or index funds to boost your returns. Tip 5 is to diversify your portfolio. Another benefit of investment funds or ETFs is diversification. They bundle hundreds or thousands of underlying assets like stocks, bonds, and other securities. That helps you earn higher average returns while cutting risk. Tip 6 is to use tax-advantaged retirement accounts. When you invest through a retirement account, like a workplace 401k or individual retirement account or IRA, you accumulate wealth and cut your taxes. Tip 7 is to ignore the noise. What happens in the financial markets daily only matters if you must liquidate your investments during the same period. So ignore media hype and stock tips from friends and never make rash decisions like selling your investments when their values drop. And the last tip is to consider getting professional advice. If you need help choosing investments or using tax-advantaged accounts, seek advice from your benefits department at work or a qualified financial advisor. To learn more about investing, visit Finder.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and you'll get notified when there are more helpful product reviews, money tips, and advice.